So this is what my TV looks like now. I turned it off last night. It was just broke up in this corner right here. I turned it off last night to watch TV in the bedroom, and I left it off all night. I come in here this morning and it had nose prints and paw prints from the cats. So I cleaned the son of a bitch. So you can't see too much of the TV. Keep watching there. Look at this.
After foiling his arch enemy's plan to send a nuclear warhead to the center of the Earth, Austin vanished.
Oh. Hold on a second. I got mute sound for this. Let's see, look. That's all you can see. Went out and bought a new TV. Don't! And Wednesday's gonna break it. But yeah, see, that's all you see of the bottom part of it. Which, hold on a second, I'll fix that real fast. Right here. Voila! I can see the TV. Yeah, I know. Shut up, fucker. Let go of it. All because I pressed too hard right here when I was cleaning it. It put a crack going all the way down right here, and then it drops straight down right there with that line. This line right here. Right there, and it just comes straight down. Alright. I need to get this new TV done.